Growing up, the best part of my weekend was getting up on a Saturday morning to watch some of my favorite cartoons, of course. Some of my favorite jams were Scooby Doo, Looney Tunes, and of course the Flintstones. Those were all my jams. But looking back, the show that really stands out the most is Schoolhouse Rock. I think about all the things I actually learned through those animated shorts and how to use conjunctions and how the Constitution works and even the Revolutionary War. So amazing information. But if animation was that informative and that memorable with that rudimentary technology so long ago, imagine the possibilities when it comes to your business videos. The technology is so much more sophisticated, and so is the storytelling. And in this video, I'm going to break down 5 instances and how you can use animation for your content strategy. All right, I'm excited to share the 5 instances where you should be using animation style videos for your content strategy. The first one is, let's say you have a big story to tell, but you don't have a large budget. Creating a storytelling animated video is a very cost-effective way. The second instance where you can be using animation videos is, let's say you have a complex sales solution. Simplifying it through a short explainer video with animation is a great way to incorporate that into your content strategy. The third instance where you should be using animation videos, and we do this all the time for our clients, is creating animated booth loops, motion graphics, flat 2D animation. Typically, there's no script, but it's very eye-catching and has some key marketing message. The fourth instance where you should be creating animation style videos, let's say you're an international global company, creating an English version animation video about your product or solution, and then getting that transcribed into multiple language is a very easy and effective way to reach your audience in multiple languages. And the fifth and final instance would be just to hack the attention of your prospects, right? Be creative. A lot of times we're creating character animations. And so as you go through your social content strategy, what are reasons in animation that you can create to stand out? I hope these 5 instances have been helpful as you plan out your content strategy for the years and beyond. Bye for now.